In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import circuit in Falstad. Falstad is a lightweight, browser-based circuit simulator that's great for quickly testing ideas and sharing schematics. To get started, open your web browser and head to falstad.com. On the homepage, look for the circuit simulator link and click it. This opens the simulator in your browser. For the best workspace and fewer distractions, choose the full screen version when prompted. If your browser blocks pop-ups or new tabs, allow the site just this once so the simulator can open properly. Once the simulator loads, you'll see a simple menu bar at the top. Click File to open the file options. From that menu, select Import from Text. This command is designed for bringing in a circuit that's been saved or shared as plain text. Falstad uses a readable text format to describe components, connections, and settings, so you can copy and paste a circuit between projects or share it with others without needing a separate file. A text box will appear. Paste the saved text of your circuit into that box. This is the exact circuit description you previously exported from Falstad or obtained from a trusted source. Make sure you paste the entire content, including any header lines and formatting. Avoid adding extra spaces or characters, and don't change line breaks. Those details tell the simulator how everything should be wired. If you're pasting from an email or a document, it helps to use a plain text editor first to remove hidden formatting. When the text is in place and everything looks intact, click OK. The simulator will parse the text and build the schematic on the canvas. If you already had a circuit open, it will be replaced by the new one, so it's a good habit to export or save your current work beforehand if you need to keep it. After you confirm, the imported circuit should appear immediately. You'll now see your components and connections laid out on the grid. If the simulation is running, you may notice moving dots along the wires indicating current flow. If anything looks off, double check that you pasted the full text and that there weren't any extra characters added by your clipboard. It's also worth confirming that the text came from a compatible Falstad source. That's it, you've successfully imported a circuit using Falstad's Import from Text feature. From here, you can observe the behavior, adjust values, and explore the circuit as needed. Thanks for watching and enjoy experimenting with your designs in the simulator.